Alright guys, if you know 100, 200, $300 is something big enough for you to manage, okay, you're gonna stay to the end of this video because I've come across so many channels and they haven't talked about this airdrop right here called Lost Dog. So for those of you that don't know what I talk about in this channel, I talk about crypto and how to make money online. Okay, so welcome to Crypto Combat. So right here right now I'm going to show you guys on how the process works, and I'm going to give you guys step-by-step guide on how everything works. So right now let's head over. Alright, so right here right now I'm gonna be showing you guys, okay, about the game. Okay, next round is gonna be in 18 hours because I've already started mine. Okay, yours is not gonna be showing 18 hours. Okay, then the game ends in 34 days, so you have 34 days yeah, to participate on this. Okay, and the game rules, I'm gonna be showing you guys the game rules. I'm gonna be showing you guys how our winnings calculated. Okay, so right here you're gonna be joining the Telegram channel and also the groups. Okay, and also you'll be joining the learn more about the story. Okay, so if you're in Russia, you choose here. If you're in English country, okay, that they speak English, you choose the English, right? So right here right now I'm going to be showing you guys the step, okay, that you're going to be taking. So right here you're going to go click on this. Okay, so you're going to take you to the telegraph.ph, okay, where you're gonna see the games. Okay, so you have to read this carefully to understand how the whole process works, because we have WOOF, which is WOOF, okay, token, and we also have Notcoin. Okay, so right here we also have other ones, bones. Okay, and the bones is the one you're gonna be converting to Notcoin. Okay, then from the Notcoin you're gonna like send it straight to your Tonkeeper wallet address. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you proofs, okay, because I decided to do this so you guys gonna see how the whole process works. So right here right now I'm gonna go back, so I'm gonna show you guys the next process because I don't want to waste time on this. Okay, now this is how the calculation is gonna be. Okay, so you're just gonna read on this, okay, because it's a little bit confusing. So but if you take your time you're gonna see how the whole process works. Okay, so in brief, you win. If you win, you will get back all the Not coin, okay, you spend in the round. The more you spend, the more Not and Wolf you will earn, right? When players exchange Not for bones, they receive Not forms, the prize pool for the current round. Okay, at the end of the round, Not is distributed among the players who choose the winning card according to the following logics, right? I don't want to go straight about that. Okay, so the next step we're gonna be doing is to join the socials. I've already joined that. Okay, and learn more about the story, right? So you're gonna understand how to play the games. Okay, so sometimes a clue is being given in the Telegram group by the players, okay, by the members there. So I'm just going to click on back. As you can see, this is the token I've actually as you call the card that I voted for, right? And I voted with 61 bones, right? So right here I'm gonna like take you to the next step, which is the bones you are seeing right here. Let me show you guys so you're gonna know where I clicked. Right here, this is the bones, right? And also this is the league, which is the people that are playing, and your profile right here. Inside your profiles you're gonna see different stuff going on there. So right here I'm going to click on this. Alright, so if you stay to the end of this point, okay, congratulations to you, because you're going to know how the whole process works and how to swap your Notcoin to into your Ton wallet address, right? So right here you say change vote. Okay, if you're not sure of the card you choose, okay, you can come over here. Okay, you're gonna 50 stars. Okay, what to change your your card, okay, which you choose. So if you're not sure that what the kind of card you choose, because there are 3 cards, okay, if you're not sure of the number 1 or the number 2 or the number 3, you come here, you say change vote. Okay, so you're gonna like click on that and change your vote. So it's gonna like take you, you say buy 50 stars, right? So then you say X2 will for 777 stars. Okay, you say buy 777 stars, okay, for 2 times wolf for the win, right? If you win the current round, the wolf price will be doubled. Okay, so if you have funds, you can do that. So that's why I say you can earn actually 200, 300 to 500, even 1000 to 2k dollars, okay, participating on this airdrop, which is called Lost Dog. So right here, I'm going to click on this plus right here. If you want to increase your bonus, right, to claim. If you want to reduce it, you're going to click on the minus you are seeing here, which is this one right here, and the plus right here to increase. Minus is to decrease, and plus is to increase. So let me just say I have 61 bones, which is the bones you are seeing right here. Okay, like I told you guys, it's the bones you're going to be using to swap to Notcoin. So I'm just going to like increase my bones to 61. Okay, I'm just going to like tap on it. Okay, as you can see, I have 762.5 Notcoin. So right here right now, I'm just gonna like click on this. Okay, now they're gonna tell you, it's a creating transactions, right? And now they're gonna ask for, it's a bonus payment fail, insufficient funds, right? Okay, in my Ton Keeper that I connected, my funds is not enough. Okay, the gas fee is not enough because they're gonna charge you. So right here right now, let me show you guys the next level right here, which is the league. As you can see, people right there, I have 306 wolf, which is I'm in silver league, right? So I need 5,000 to complete that. Okay, and I've actually won the first round of the card, and that's my second that I have actually voted for. So right here, I'm just gonna go to the profile. Okay, this is where you're going to connect your wallet, okay, which is your Ton Keeper wallet. So already you guys know how to connect your Ton Keeper. You can check my videos, okay, my gallery videos, and you're going to see watch a video I made on how to connect your Ton Keeper wallet, okay, to your Telegram, right? So as you can see, the previous choice was the pedal excavator, and I won a little bit of it. So I'm trying to make this easy and fast. So as you can see here, invite friends. You got this way you can invite your friends. Okay, the next round is going to be 18 hours, so you guys have limited time to participate on this. So go in and participate, so you're going to earn a lot of Notcoin, okay, and bones and wolf coins, okay. So right here right now, that is all, and I'm going to be showing you guys real quick, okay. Right here, this is my browser. I was actually doing a checkout, okay. So I'm going to give you guys proof on this. This is a live how is it called, exchange, okay, seeing what Notcoin is actually moving online. Right here, the price tag 2000 Notcoin is going to give you 23.21 USDT, right? So as you can see here, so one Notcoin is equivalent to 0.02. As you can see, the number just changed. It was 23.21, but now it's 23.20. So right here, if I gonna put this like, okay, you've actually made the tax and you've done all you have to do. Right here, you're earning 50,000 Notcoin, okay. So right here, this is what it's going to give to you, 580.07 USDT. As you can see, the price as you call, this is a live chat, so the price is going to be fluctuating, right? So 580.04 USDT you're going to be earning just participating on this airdrop, right? I mean, that is insane, right? And many people don't know of this, so this is the best time for you to hop in, so you're going to earn whopping amount of it. So I'm just going to take you guys to my Ton Keeper. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys. Oh, all right, sorry for the break. Right here, I'm just going to tap on my Ton Keeper, so you guys going to see how the whole process works. So as you can see right here, this is my Notcoin. Okay, I received playing only the game. Okay, I have more than this in that airdrop, right? But I claimed this one you are seeing right here. Okay, there was no Notcoin in my wallet, so this is the one I collected this morning, participating on it, which is 0.91 Notcoin. Okay, so they're going to be charging you a gas fee, okay, of about let me say history about 0.06 ton, okay. As you can see, that was like about 12:46. So tell me, why won't you participate on this airdrop? Okay, I'm giving you guys good quality airdrop, okay, that you're gonna start earning money instantly. So I want you guys to go in and do this, okay, and tell me what you feel about this in the comment section.